Love Kewpie Roasted Sesame Dressing? Then you'll adore this homemade version. Made with freshly ground toasted sesame seeds, our Japanese-style creamy sesame dressing is a game changer. I love making this creamy sesame dressing in my Japanese mortar pestle. The distinct grooves in the surabachi bowl efficiently grinds the toasted sesame seeds. It is great to use for other herbs and spices as well. To make the signature nutty creamy flavours, the secret lies in the toasted sesame seeds and using, of course, Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise, which has a more richer, more umami-forward taste compared to regular mayonnaise. Plus the rice vinegar just gives it the right amount of tang. Bursting with tangy umami flavours, it is perfect for salads, grilled meats and vegetables. Gourmet dressing, as it's also known in Japanese, can transfer something as simple as shredded cabbage into lip-smacking side dish. This recipe is a great alternative to your classic coleslaw dressing. Give it a go today.